Welcome to another episode of the Printing Show. My name is Dafi Kühne. I often get mail from people asking, how did you do this? So, let's see. For example, this one from Pet R from Cheltenham, UK. Dear Dafi, how do you do this weird type on the Le luci della centrale elettrica poster? Well, Pat, I can tell you. So on this poster, I use a solid block. In this case, I use a wood block, and I add adhesive stickers on top of that. And that gives me this impression. So first, we need to produce the vinyl stickers. So I use this old plotter. It's quite a crappy plotter. But basically you can buy the vinyl stickers anywhere. You can hand cut them, or you can add some pre-cut stickers, letters, whatever you find. Well, and there we have our cut letter forms cut into the vinyl sticker foil. So the stickers we've cut right now are 1/10 of a millimeter in thickness. Ooh. And that difference in height is enough to leave a trace on the print. So depending on the amount of impression I'm using, I'm getting complete different results. Depending on the quality of the surface of the block that I'm using, I'm getting complete different results. So I can use any block and just add another layer of information on top. So now, Pat, I'm gonna show you one more thing. So this time we're gonna use the vinyl stickers on top of existing traditional type. I'm using plastic type this time, but it would also work on wood type, of course. So I'm using some tape for the transfer. This way I can transfer several letters at the time and the position stays the same. So I have typeset the word no, and now I'm adding a second message on top of that no that says yes. And then I'm carefully cutting off all the excess. And there we have it, our typeset letters no with the second message yes on top. Let's see what it looks like when we print that. So again, depending on the amount of impression I have set on the press, I get totally different results. And that's how I've made this poster. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have questions, send me a letter.